Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to set up your Tissot T-Touch Connect watch and how to connect it to your smartphone. When you do it for the first time, you have to press and hold the crown for 5 seconds. The watch hands will start moving and shortly you will see the welcome message on the display. Now you have to again press the crown once and the watch will ask us to choose the language. We'll choose English, press the crown again. It will ask if you want to pair with your phone. We have two options. You can rotate the crown to choose different options. We'll say yes. And we'll have to enter the current date. Now we'll choose the months and the day. And now the watch will suggest us to download the Tissot application on our smartphone. You need to find the Play Store on your smartphone and look for Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. And this is the Tissot connected application. Install the application on your phone and open the application. You need to make sure that the Bluetooth is on your device. Press connect, allow, and press start. Now we'll have to create an account with Tissot. You'll have to put in your email address and set up the password. Then you guys will also have to enter your first name, your last name, your country. Next you need to agree with the terms of use and press accept. The application will also ask you about your weight, height and date of birth. And you will also have to define your fitness goal. Let's say 10,000 steps. Now the account has been created. Allow, and the application will start to watch, and the application will start to look for our watch. So now we have to press pair on the smartphone and make sure that the passkey is the same. It should be the same. Press pair here and press pair on the watch as well. This will take a few minutes, so just keep your watch close to your phone. And another thing I want to point out, guys, make sure that you charge the watch all the way before you start this process. And right now it tells us that our watch is ready and connected. And right now I can see it shows us the time, current time, which it receives from our phone. I'll press continue. Again guys, what's cool about this watch is that it uses the sun to get the charge, which means that it can last up to a few months without the need to recharge it. Press next. Now it basically tells us how to use the watch. I'll show you guys a few of these options in a second. Make sure you enable notifications, enable phone notifications, and it will give you this list of applications. T-Connect, allow, make sure it's on. Now we can go back, we'll enable the contacts, incoming calls, so basically we have to allow all this. And our setup is pretty much done at this point. Now when somebody calls you, you will see notification on the display. I will actually call myself right now. So as you can see, our phone is on vibrate and immediately we get notification on our watch, which is pretty cool. I can cancel the call from here. I can press this button and that's it. The call has been cancelled. It works great, and when you guys don't have access for your phone, you cannot take your phone out, for example, you will still see notification on your Tissot watch. You can also see the history of your notifications. For that we have to press the start button, press and hold, and now we have to press this connection section right here, and it will show you notifications. Press the crown, and as you can see, Mike has actually called us before as well. You can scroll the crown to look for different notifications that you have missed, and if you guys press the crown again, it will give you a more detailed description, and you can clear it as well. Press OK and it will clear. You guys can do the same thing with all the notifications on your phone. Swipe all the way to the bottom, clear all, I'll say yes, and all notifications have been cleared, both in your watch and on your smartphone as well. Besides the notifications, you can also use the Find My Phone option in the connected section. Press the crown, simply press the crown again, and the alarm on your phone will start working, letting you know where your phone is at the moment. To go back from this menu, you simply have to press and hold the start button again. I'll quickly show you guys the application as well. First of all, it shows us the watch that is currently connected to the application. You can do multiple watches if you have them. Today it will show you the amount of steps that you have taken, calories that you have burned, distance that you have traveled. It will show you two different time zones. Right now the first one shows you the time from the phone, since we have connected our phone, and we have the second time in the watch as well, which is set to this one right now. You can change that. You can set the alarm from the application, and you can also do it in the watch itself. We've got the chronograph here, we have the activity section, we've got the timers, and we have the NBA section, which is coming soon. I'll show you guys daily steps. Again, it's just gives you more information about your steps, calories, etc., how much you have traveled. Activity section allows us to track your hiking, running or cycling. In order to make it happen, you'll have to go in your watch. You have to again press and hold the start button and press the activity right here. Press start, and now basically another thing that we have to do, guys, is to update our settings. We'll have to update our location settings to always active. This will allow the watch to track where we are. Update settings, go to permissions, go to location, and here you can allow all the time. Press that, and now you can go back. And as you can see, the watch now shows us that it has been tracking us for 2 minutes, but since we're not going anywhere, we don't really get much data at the moment. When you are done with your activity, you simply press the back button, and it will ask if you want to finish. Say yes, simply press right here, and it will show you some information about this hike, which was very short and not very active. Start time, time elapsed, steps taken 0. I have traveled 0 meters, no calories burned. It was just a waste of time, but anyway. And in the app you will also see, guys, all this information. This watch has a lot more different functions. I will quickly preview them to you guys. So for example, we've got meteor. It will show us the barometer, it will show us the temperature. We've got navigation. For navigation we have the compass, which needs to be calibrated. Well, the best way to do it is to do it like this. We'll quickly calibrate our compass. Calibrated, excellent, so I'll say OK. And right now, as you can see, it shows us where the north is. Very cool. I'll go back from here. So besides that, we've got chronograph, timer, alarm. This is where you set up the alarm in the watch. We've got our settings. Bluetooth is on, sound is on, vibrations, battery level, solar energy level. We have more settings, which again I'm not gonna go into at the moment. So in short, guys, this is how it works. Oh, sorry, there is also the date. You can set that as the option that you can view by default. We have two different times. So for example, I can set the date. If I leave it like this right now, press start button, and you will see the date instead of the time. So in short, this is how you guys set up and connect your Tissot T-Touch Connect watch with your smartphone. In short, this is how it works. These are the options that it has. We'll actually make a more in-depth review of this watch, including all the functions and settings, in a different video. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.